Greetings, guys, and welcome to Final Cut Pro X. My name is Andy Anderson, and I'll be your instructor through this series. Now, let me be honest with you up front. I'm always honest. I came into teaching this for InfiniteSkills with a bit of trepidation. Now, the amazing thing about that is I don't even know what that word means. But what I'm saying is, you would not have me in front of you. You would have another teacher in front of you if one thing were not absolutely true. I love this program. Now, the reason I'm saying that is there's so much controversy about Final Cut Pro X. I've been using Final Cut Pro for a decade. 7 is the one I was currently using before this one came out. Heard all the rumors, all the things about what it didn't do. Understand something. Let me make a promise to you about this course. If you're worried a little bit about that, should I do this or should I do that? Now, don't get me wrong, I am still using Final Cut Pro 7 and will probably for a long time. But I have fallen in love with Final Cut Pro X. I find it an amazing application. In many ways, it's faster and it's more efficient. Does it do everything 7 does? No. But there are things that X does that 7 doesn't do. So if you are a 7 user, go ahead and keep it. I've got it. If you're an X user and new, my promise to you is that by the end of this course, I promise you, you will have a pretty nice respect for this program because I find it amazing in what it does. And we have to look at how technology evolves. Sometimes, in order to go forward, we have to cut our ties with the past. And Final Cut Pro X is moving forward. Think of it this way. Snow Leopard is the major operating system that's out there, and Lion is the new kid on the block. Let's say you've got all these great programs that you're using, and now you migrate to Lion, and what happens? You realize that maybe some of those programs you're using either don't work anymore or they haven't caught up yet. And some of them may never ever work again in Lion because in order to increase our technology, sometimes we have to cut our ties with the past. But I don't want you to worry about that. You're going to have a lot of fun in this class and you're going to learn a lot. It is a basic class, but you're going to learn a whole lot about this program. Now we're going to start in Chapter 1 on basics. If you've ever taken a course with me before, I always like to take Chapter 1, look at some preferences, how you set it up, how do you get it going, how do you get it more efficient. That's our goal in Chapter 1. And again, my promise, I think you're going to love this program. So let's get started.